ስለ ቴንስ ያላችሁን ዕውቀት አሁን ልፈትናችሁ። ስለ ፕሬዘንት፣ ፓስት ኤንድ ፊውቸር ቴንስ 30 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። ስንት እንዳገኛችሁ ደግሞ በኮሜንት አሳውቁኝ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ። Here are 30 clear multiple choice questions for intermediate students on English tense. Present, past and future with answers at the end. Choose the best answer from the given alternative. Number 1. She usually belongs to work by bus. She usually belongs to work by bus. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Is going. D. Went. Answer B. Goes. She usually goes to work by bus. 2. Look. The baby belongs to work. Look. The baby belongs to work. A. Try. B. Tries. C. Is trying. D. Tried. Answer C. Is trying. Look. The baby is trying to work. 3. I belong him since 2022. I belong him since 2022. A. No. B. No. C. Have known. D. Am knowing. Answer C. Have known. I have known him since 2022. 4. We blank English every Monday and Wednesday. We blank English every Monday and Wednesday. A. Study. B. Are studying. C. Studied. D. Will study. Answer A. Study. We study English every Monday and Wednesday. 5. He blank his case. He cannot find them. He blank his case. He cannot find them. A. Losses. B. Lost. C. Has lost. D. Is losing. Answer C. Has lost. He has lost his case. He cannot find them. 6. She blank for 2 hours already. She blank for 2 hours already. A. Works. B. Is working. C. Has worked. D. Has been working. Answer D. Has been working. She has been working for 2 hours already. 7. They belong lunch right now. They belong lunch right now. A. Have. B. Had. C. Are having. D. Will have. Answer C. Are having. They are having lunch right now. 8. Water blank at 100 degree Celsius. Water blank at 100 degree Celsius. A. Boils. B. Is boiling. C. Boiled. D. Will boil. Answer A. Boils. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius. 9. I blank my homework yet. I blank my homework yet. M. Do not finish. B. Didn't finish. C. Haven't finished it. D. I'm not finishing. Answer C. 10. He blank TV when I called him. He blank TV when I called him. A. Watches. B. Watched. C. Is watching. D. Was watching. Answer D. Was watching. He was watching TV when I called him. 11. She She blank the book yesterday. She blank the book yesterday. A. Reads. B. Read. C. Has read. D. Was reading. Answer B. Read. She read the book yesterday. 12. We blank dinner when the light went out. We blank dinner when the light went out. A. Have. B. Had. C. Were having. D. Are having. Answer C. Were having. We were having dinner when the light went out. 13. They belonged to Addis Ababa last year. They belonged to Addis Ababa last year. A. Go. B. Went. C. Have gone. D. Are going. Answer B. Went. They went to Addis Ababa last year. 14. I blank my wallet, but I found it later. I blank my wallet, but I found it later. A. Lost. B. Lost. C. Have lost. D. Was losing. Answer B. Lost. I lost my wallet, but I found it later. 15. He blank English before he moved her. He blank English before he moved her. A. Studied. B. Has studied. C. Had studied. D. Studies. Answer C. C. Had studied. He had studied English before he moved her. 16. When I was a child, I blank football every day. When I was a child, I blank football every day. A. Play. B. Played. C. am playing. D. Have played. Answer B. Played. When I was a child, I played football every day. 17. She blank already blank when we arrived. She blank already blank when we arrived. A. Has or and left. B. Had and left. C. Was and living. D. Is and having. Answer B. Had and left. She had already left when we arrived. 18. I didn't see him because I blank asleep. I didn't see him because I blank asleep. A. Am. B. Was. C. Have been. D. Will be. Answer B. Was. I didn't see him because I was asleep. 19. They blank the exam 2 hours ago. They blank the exam 2 hours ago. A. Finish. B. Finished. C. Have finished. D. Are finishing. Are finishing. Answer B. Finished. They finished the exam 2 hours ago. 20. He blank for the bus when it started raining. He blank for the bus when it started raining. A. Waits. B. Waited. C. Is waiting. D. Was waiting. Answer D. Was waiting. He was waiting for the bus when it started raining. 21. I blank you tomorrow. I blank you tomorrow. A. See. B. saw. C. will see. D. am seeing. Answer C. will see. I will see you tomorrow. 22. Look at the clouds. It blank rain. Look at the clouds. It blank rain. A. Will. B. Is going to. C. Has. D. Was. Answer B. Is going to. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain. 23. We blank our homework before dinner. We blank our homework before dinner. A. Finish. B. Will finish. C. Finish it. D. Have finished it. Answer B. Will finish. We will finish our homework before dinner. 24. She blank a doctor when she grows up. She blank a doctor when she grows up. A. Is. B. Was. C. Will be. D. Has been. Answer C. Will be. 25. They blank in a new house next month. They blank in a new house next month. A. Live. B. Lived. C. Will live. D. Have live. Answer C. Will live. They will live in a new house next month. 26. I think he blank passed the exam. I think he blank passed the exam. A. Will. B. Is. C. Was. D. Has. Answer A. Will. I think he will pass the exam. 27. By 2030 I blank my degree. By 2030 I blank my degree. A. Finish. B. Finish it. C. Will finish. D. Will have finished it. Answer D. Will have finished it. By 2030 I will have finished my degree. 28. This time tomorrow we blank on the plane. This time tomorrow we blank on the plane. A. Sit. B. Will sit. C. Will be sitting. D. Have sat. Answer C. Will be sitting. This time tomorrow we will be sitting on the plane. 29. She blank before you arrive. She blank before you arrive. A. Leaves. B. Left. C. Will leave. D. Will have left. Answer D. Will have left. She will have left before you arrive. 30. Don't worry. I blank help you. Don't worry. I blank help you. A. Am. B. Will. C. Was. D. Have. Answer B. Will. Don't worry. I will help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.